Hi, you just got a queue. Congratulations. Let's get you set up. This takes about 4 minutes. If you're on Mac, watch the Mac video instead. This one is for Windows. Here's what we're going to do. 1. Install Git for Windows. Claude Code needs this. 2. Install Claude Code using command prompt. 3. Open your queue. 2 installs, then you're ready. Let's go. First, we install Git for Windows. This gives Claude Code the tools it needs to run. Open your browser and go to gitscm.com/downloads/win. Click the big download button. When it downloads, open the installer. Now just click Next on every screen. The defaults are exactly what we need. Next, 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 install. Let it install. This takes about a minute. Click Finish. Git for Windows is done. That was step 1. Now we install Claude Code. Important, we need to use command prompt, not PowerShell. Click Start and type Command. Click on Command Prompt to open it. This black window is Command Prompt. Copy this command. It's in the description below. You can right-click to paste. Press Enter. Wait for it to finish. You'll see Installation complete. Now close this command prompt window, open a new PowerShell window. Type Claude, press Enter. It works. Your browser will open. Sign in with your Claude account. You'll need Claude Pro or Max. That's $20 per month at claude.ai. Click Authorize when it asks. Go back to PowerShell. Type /exit to close for now. Claude Code is installed and working. Last step, open your queue. Find the queue folder you downloaded. This is important. You must extract the zip first. Don't just double-click the zip to peek inside. That won't work. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Click Extract. Now you have a real folder, not just looking inside the zip. Open that extracted folder. See Start here. Double-click it. Windows might show Windows protected your PC. Click More Info, then Run anyway. And look, Claude Code opened in your queue folder. Just say hello. Your queue should start setting up. You did it. 2 installs and you're ready. From now on, just double-click Start here. Enjoy your queue.